Hike the Pacific Crest Trail. This is a geometry project and it covers the 7th grade standards in geometry. So it takes about 2 to 3 weeks to complete the project, depending on your students. It's a lot of fun for them. They get to learn about this famous trail. They have different adventures that happen to them along the trail. So this is the student slide deck. This is what they're going to see. There's also one for teacher instructions. There's one with a grading rubric, and then another one for printables. So you want to go through the instructions with the students. They're going to learn facts about the trail, follow their progress on the map, keep track of expenses, record events that happen on their hike in a journal, and complete geometry worksheets. So they're going to earn money depending on how many correct answers they have on these geometry worksheets. Then they're shown a map of the trail. So this is the actual trail that starts at the California-Mexican border, and it goes all the way through California, Oregon, and Washington and ends at the Canadian border. It's 2,650 miles long, and it takes backpackers several months to complete. So we're going to explain to the students that they have saved $1,000 for their trip. They're going to keep track on an expense sheet, and they're going to purchase supplies, whatever they need for their trip. Things happen to them along the trail that are unexpected, that they might have pay more money along the trail. They might earn money too, but they're going to keep track and make sure they have enough extra for emergencies. So when they write their journal entries, they want to be as creative as they can. They're going to read about what happens to them, but they can embellish it a little bit and make it more interesting. Now for each section of the trail, and I've broken the trail up into 8 different sections. So for each section, they're going to do each of these things. They're going to mark their current location on the map. So you can give them stickers, or they can use a colored pencil or marker. They're going to choose their supplies for that section of the trail because they're going to run out of things and they need to repurchase. Keep track of their expenses. They're going to read about the very next section of the trail. And they're going to complete a journal entry after they've chosen randomly from a list of scenarios. Then they're going to complete a geometry worksheet. So it could be angles, triangles, circles, surface area, volume, scale, any of the 7th grade standards. On slide 8, they have all of the supplies that they're going to choose from and how much each costs. So they're going to go through and choose what they need, making sure they don't spend too much money. Want to make sure they have enough food. So each section of the trail, you can tell them that will take about 2 weeks. So they want to make sure they have enough food for that time. And they're going to read about their section of the trail. So they have 8 different slides here. Each time they enter that section of the trail, they're going to read about it. And then when they finish, they'll get a congratulations. So they know they've completed the entire trail. So this is Hike the Pacific Crest Trail Geometry Project.